If your Netgear Nighthawk router's internet light is blinking orange, it usually means the router is not getting a proper internet connection from your modem or service provider. In this video, I'll show you quick steps to fix the blinking orange light issue. First, check your cables. Make sure the Ethernet cable is firmly connected from your modem to the internet port on your Nighthawk router. Also confirm that your modem is powered on and working. Next, restart both devices. Turn off your modem and router. Wait for 30 seconds. Then power on the modem first. Once it is fully online, turn on your router. Now, watch the internet light. In most cases, it should turn white or stop blinking once the connection is restored. If the light is still blinking orange, connect your phone or computer to the router's Wi-Fi. Open a browser and go to routerlogin.net or 192.168.1.1. Log in and check if your internet status shows disconnected. Follow any on-screen prompts to reconnect. If the problem continues, unplug the internet cable and try a different Ethernet cable or modem port. Still blinking? Contact your internet service provider to check for outages or line issues. And that's how to troubleshoot a Netgear Nighthawk router when the internet light is blinking orange. Thanks for watching.